Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video for the Gingerbread Christmas Collab 2020. This is my fourth video for this collaboration, hosted by Poetspice, Jamie, here on YouTube. And we have decided to extend our collaboration for one more month. So you'll get 4 more weeks, I believe. I'll have to double check that, but I think it's 4 more weeks in October. Let me double check that right now. Sorry. So we have decided to extend for the month of October to continue on. Looking on my phone here. Where's my calendar? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yep, 4 more weeks. So today I wanted to share a die that I got from AliExpress, and it's the it's from Alina Cuddle, I guess. I don't know if I'm supposed to say her name or not. From AliExpress, and it's the gingerbread house die. Lots of pieces. I had to take them all apart because, you know, you could layer on top of this die. I'm gonna make another one for a friend, but I wanted to come on to share this project with you all. So here is my gingerbread house. And I didn't really do anything to the roof because, you know, it's not glued on. But it was not that bad to figure out how to put the walls up. I did mess up one and I had to redo it. But I just added a bow here, and you could put, you know, all kinds of stuff in here. You could do chocolates, you could do cookies, you could do, you know, for Christmas. But I really love how this turned out. And this is the gingerbread that is part of that die set. It comes with a Christmas tree as well and a tag. So you could do this for any occasion. It doesn't have to be a gingerbread, but I figured I'd do a gingerbread house for this collaboration, and I love it. So if you want to join in, hashtag, I think it's gingerbread stocking 2020. I'll have all the information down below along with all the collaborators. So go ahead and, you know, join in on the fun. Visit everybody's channel, see what they've created for this week, and I will see you in October. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.